Today's video is going to be a modern day BIXIE haircut. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the technique and the way I cut in the video. Thank you so much for always supporting me on this channel. Share it. Can I ask you to share this video just to make it go further? Because we're hoping to hit 100k this year subscribers, and if you could help me hit that, I'll be really appreciative. So let's get in to today's video. So probably one of the biggest haircuts of the year. And I'm doing this because I'm going to be doing this live for a Leigh Stafford Education event. We're going to be mashing up two haircuts together. I'm going to be doing a uniform layer mashed together with a long grad. The long grad piece is going to be through the front to give us a bit more like a fringe piece, which is shorter. But we're going to basically create a BIXIE by doing a uniform layer. The reason I've chosen this and inspired by a BIXIE is purely because when you look at people growing out pixie haircuts, because they're short and they're pretty much all a similar length, it tends to grow out the same length, which is why I thought uniform layer, all the same length, growing out a longer pixie, BIXIE, bob, and then change it up at the front so we can have something a little bit different for the fringe area. So where we're going to start today is we're going to start middle back through here. So I'm just going to draw a line straight down. I'll just clip it out of the way so you can see. And we just want to be putting our guide in. So when we're looking at a guide, we want to be pulling, so basically when we want a uniform layer, we want to place our comb on the head and it wants to come straight out from the head. So the hair is all the same length. So where we're working from there, through there, there, through there. So that's how we're going to be doing it. You can put the head forward, but I'm going to be working natural position coming through, so we're taking the hair like that. I'm going to be using half a comb's length, so you can see on that comb, half of that is going to be my guide, and I want it to be nice and short because I want it to be a BIXIE. So when I'm pulling out here, I want to measure to half a comb. That's going to sit there, so it's going to be a really perfect length for a BIXIE, because we want that length to play through there. So we're here, measure again straight out from the head, and then what we want to be doing is just cutting straight down there, and then where the head changes we want to change with it, so through there, and then when they put the comb on the head there, you can see it comes out to there. And that gives us our BIXIE length there, so you can see that length just there. Now, so we've got a guide running all the way around the head. What we're going to do, and this is something we do for our students, is there's our first guide. What we're going to do is we're going to come round the head and take a section like that. I'm going to work all the way around. You can see I've already sectioned out the top into a horseshoe section, so I'm going to work around that horseshoe section with a slither, pulling it straight out from the head, using that piece I've already cut as my guide. So if you want to see where we're at, here, pulling straight out from that head, I'm just cutting in that length there. Take out a slither, because this is going to be our perfect guide all the way around the head. There, so I've got that guide all the way around the right hand side, and we're going to copy exactly the same and go around the left hand side. So grab a piece of that we already cut, and what we can do just to check, put that in there, and we can see it's half the comb length, so we know we've got our guide perfect, working all the way to the front. And now what we want to do, we want to go through our guide here, but we've also got this guide here. We're going to use a moving guide, so let's just brush this out of the way. We've got two guides to work from now. And then just cross checking, and be coming out I'm just making sure that that is all the same length. And you're getting this really nice built-in texture through there. But this, you can already see the sort of bixiness it's going to give us. So we've got our guide through that top piece, half a comb, straight out from the head, using our guide, and then comb on the head just to see where it's sitting flat. And the last section of this side. And there's the first side. Let's jump onto the right hand side now. You can see all the guide up there already. I'm going to come out from the head there. We can already see our guide perfectly. Straight out from that head again, finding the guide. We've got another guide, and then comb on the head. What angle is that at? So it's just coming straight out there, and then where that's coming out, you can see that hair's living as if it's coming out from the head there, and just matches the guide we put in already, or the length. You can see how that back's all coming on, all perfectly balanced. Last section. You can see guide matches there, guide matches there. Perfect. Now, moving on to the sides. We've got our guide from above, we've got our guide from previous. And this is it. Moving through here, moving guide, so bringing the previous towards our cutting section. Exactly the same on the other side. Straight out from the head, you can see my guide perfectly through there. So where we sectioned off the last time, from behind the ear, I just want to do that again because I want to isolate the front from the back. So where it was, I can see through there. And it goes straight through the high point of the head as well. So easy, really easy to sort of find your guide. This will give us a little bit of disconnection as well, which is perfect. Right, so on this section here, middle centre parting, through here, and all we want to be doing is following the head shape, and our guide is from that underneath section. Let me show you on the side so you can see. So bringing that out there, see my guide just at the bottom of my finger, well, top of my finger, fingertips, fingernails. What I want to do here is be bringing straight out from the head, Then all we want to do is, let's just push it all to one side, because what we're going to do, we're going to work through like this, bring out from the head, and what you'll see is there's our length, but we've got a beautiful guide, what we just put in, and then that piece there on the edge. So we're going to straight out from the head, there, straight across, straight out from the head again, match up our guides, match those pieces together. Beautiful BIXIE shape. Now you've seen what I've done. I'm just going to do it on this side now. So I need to bring back that middle section that we cut. And there we have it. There is our BIXIE through the back, uniform layer. Now when it comes to the front, this is where we want to twist it up a little bit, add a bit of disconnection. So we're just going to get a middle parting again. Take a bit there so we can determine our guide. We know we've got this length here through that back. So where we want to go, something around about eyebrow. So that's where we'll go there. So we've got a nice grown out sort of pixie fringe. And then with our long grad recipe, what we look for, there's my guide at my fingertips, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Length through there that's going to be disconnected, which is what we'll look at when we refine. So now what we're going to do is over direct and elevate up to that middle guide, which is going to give us disconnection through the perimeter. Just keep working through, bringing all this up over that middle parting. Keeping the discipline of the finger angle and the elevation. And throw that back through there. Just gives us a little bit more length, just in behind there, just to play with. Now we're going to come onto this side. We're going to take our guide again. So I'm going to get this dry now, and we can have a look when we come to refine. So here's the finished result. This is unrefined, this is literally just wrap dried, and you can see the shape there. So a little BIXIE haircut, uniform layer, all the same length all the way through, as if we were growing out a shorter sort of haircut. This is something you can really do on your clients if they don't want to, if they're in transitioning from a short haircut to a long haircut, but giving them something that's still bang on trend. I mean, that there is going to be refined tomorrow on the live, so I'll record that after and then finish that video this way. So you'll probably see me in different clothes. Definitely see me in different clothes. A modern day BIXIE haircut. I know I love keep doing the BIXIEs and the wolf cuts, but they're both bang on trend right now. And this is a recipe that I'm doing for Lee Stafford Education to show the students how we can manipulate a sort of like a traditional fundamental uniform layer and a long graduation to create this look. So this is bang on trends for in the salon right now. This is the final look. All the texture, keeping all that weight. There's some disconnection in there as well. Absolutely love it. I hope you do too. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the technique and the way I cut in the video. I'd love to know in the comments. But yeah, thank you so much for always supporting me on this channel.